Hello everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Brera espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it just needed a tune-up. It was very dirty, especially from the brew unit. A couple of parts in here. I haven't cleaned the tray, and as you can see, this was basically all over the machine. We just rescaled this machine, so that's why you see a bunch of water around it. And what else we did, we deep cleaned the hopper as well. This one was very dirty, and yeah, just give it a good tune up and making sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. So starting with short espresso and test it out. Then we're gonna use some hot water and then some steam. You can see render perfectly. For infusion. Now the coffee, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well, and great quantity. Nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. We do not have the steamer one, but we'll still be able to use the hot water one, and as you can see, there's a nice steady stream coming out of the one. Excellent temperature, no leaks or anything, working great. And now for the steam, which is going to take a little bit for the machine to build up pressure, but once it gets to build up pressure, the water pump will start pulsating and it will start dispensing steam through the one. Now that the thermal block is at temperature and the water pump is pulsating, you can see start steaming coming out of the one. Like I said, we do not have the tip, but as you can see, there's definitely good steam coming out of this machine. Excellent temperature, as I'm burning all this on my hands, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Gaggia Brera working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.